कौन है, दिलो जिगर लो जान लो, हम तुम्हारे हैं सनम, तुम हमें।
I'm just gonna pick whichever comes out first. Oh my God. I was just talking about C,
Yeah.
and guess what alphabet showed up? C.
And Didi, see, I'm also wearing. शुक्रिया, बड़ी मेहरबानी, मेरी जिंदगी में हुजूर आप आए, कदम चूम लूं या के आंखें बिछा दूं.
Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal, and hello. This is Darshan Kaur, your Parikrama host, and I'm here today to bring you a fun podcast. Friends, the month of Valentine may be over, लेकिन अभी तो बागों में बहार है और हर जगह प्यार ही प्यार है. Love is not just limited to Valentine's Day. Love is forever and ever. तो आप जब चाहो तभी वैलेंटाइन स्पेशल. क्यों? सही है ना? If you regularly watch our Parikrama podcast, then you would already be familiar with my guest today. Because he is no other than Saurav Kishan from Kerala, who is popularly known as Chota Rafi. We did a podcast with Saurav back in October last year, and it was an amazing podcast. And we also played a song based game in the second half of that podcast. So if you haven't watched it, you've really missed something, and so do watch it. Since the time we last talked to Saurav, he has appeared as a guest singer on Indian Idol, where he was appreciated by the audience and judges alike and picked up quite a fan following. He has also sung a beautiful Malayalam song in a short movie with music by the famous music director V.R. Ranji. I met up with Saurav again recently and we played yet another song based fun game. I'm sure you're very curious now to know what the fun game was all about. So, without much ado, let's head over to Parikrama Studio and watch that game in action. So, good to have you back here, Saurav. It's been a while. The last time I think I mean, I talked to you offline, but last time that we had you on our podcast was last year in September. So, to begin with, let's just start with what have you been doing since that time?
Hi, Didi. I'm so glad to be here. I'm so glad to be back. And I'm so happy, Didi, to see you again. I've been doing one Tamil movie song. I have got an opportunity from a great music director, S.P. Venkatesh sir. And I have also had sung for a Malayalam movie, a short movie, short film. And it's called Vinnil Vannuru Taram. So I'm actually so blessed to be a part of that.
No, and we heard your Malayalam song, and I'm so looking forward to the Tamil one as well. I don't understand any of these languages, but I'm really looking forward because your voice is just so amazing that it doesn't matter what language you sing in, right?
Thank you so much, Didi.
And
Music,
yeah,
to enjoy music, we don't need to learn, understand any language, Didi, because it can like touch our soul, like certain soul it can touch.
it sure does. Like music, it doesn't, it doesn't know any boundaries, right?
Yeah,
Any
yeah.
language, anywhere, right? So anyway, but speaking of movies, any plans to foray into Bollywood anytime soon?
It will be my dream job, Didi. So I'm praying to God for one opportunity, and I need everybody's support too.
Of course, our prayers are always with you. So Saurabh, I've been trying to get you back on the podcast for the last few months, but somehow something or the other didn't really happen, right? So I remember the last time that we had a podcast with you, we played a game. Do you remember the game?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
Do
really
you
do.
remember the game that we played?
Yeah, how could I forget that game? Because it really made me, feel heartbroken.
Why?
Because I'm really a romantic person. I do have feelings. I'm only 23 years old, so
So you think that because I'm older, I don't have romantic feelings?
Yeah,
So,
you do, Didi, but you enjoy sad songs. So
no, no, I don't actually like sad songs at all. I only like peppy songs, but not just romantic. I like dance numbers. I like all those songs. So anyway, since you were complaining about it last time that it was a sad ending to my story when we played the game. So I said, okay, why don't I invite you for a Valentine special? Because
oh
then
yeah.
we can make sure it's all love songs. So we're gonna play another game today. It's a different game, right? So uh, let me show you. So I made these, these are like rings, ring
Oh,
boxes, and they actually have rings in them, right?
oh my God.
Valentine's Day, people propose and everything.
So are you
So
going to propose me, Didi?
how can I propose to my bhai? That's not done.
I'm just kidding.
And secondly, I don't think I will ever propose to a guy. That I'm very clear on. It's like, okay, the guy will have to, even if I like somebody, I will let them know through however I let them know, but I will always expect the guy to propose to me. I'm making
Yeah,
it very clear. This is
yeah,
public record. This is for
that's
the
a rule.
public record, right?
That's a universal rule. So
Yeah, yeah, I believe in. I'm a traditional girl that way. So there you go. So anyway, we have four boxes in this. One, two, three, four. I want you to pick a number, and when
okay,
you pick a number, I'll open that box. In the box is a ring, so we will see what ring comes your way. As in when let's say you have four crushes, then you have to propose to four, and with different rings. Let's see which ring comes up first, right?
okay,
And then in the box also, I have put some alphabets, and
okay,
whatever alphabet I pick up from the box, you have to sing a Muhammad Rafi romantic song from
okay,
that alphabet, right?
okay, okay, okay,
So,
okay,
for example, just to give an example, just like we did last time, if C comes out, you could sing Chand Mera Dil Chandni Ho Tum, which we already did last time. So I'm just saying that that is how
okay,
the game is played, right?
okay.
So pick a number. So one, two, three, four.
As my birthday is on June 3, so my lucky number is also 3. So I'll
Three.
pick on 3. Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna get the box number three out anytime today. And now let's see what ring you got. Oh, wow. Beautiful green ring.
Oh, wow.
Green stone. Let me show everyone. Right. So I have, as you can see, a few alphabets in there. So I'm just gonna pick whichever comes out first. Oh my God. I was just talking about C,
Yeah.
and guess what alphabet showed up?
Wow.
C.
And Didi, see, I'm also wearing green dress. So
Oh, there you go.
everything is
So
green.
this is for your perfect crush, the perfect woman, right? Woman of your dreams. I can ship these to you if you want.
So she deserved this song.
Okay.
And this is one of my favorite. And it's from the movie Chaudhary Ka Chand. So
Oh,
it's
yeah, of
most
course.
iconic song of Rafi Sahab.
Go for it.
Hmm. चौदहवीं का चांद हो या आफताब हो, जो भी हो तुम खुदा की कसम लाजवाब हो। चौदहवीं का चांद हो या आफताब हो, जो भी हो तुम खुदा की कसम लाजवाब हो। चौदहवीं का चांद हो।
Lovely. Just so beautiful. Whoever she is, she's very lucky. That's all I'm saying. Okay. I got another alphabet out.
Yeah.
It's a T.
Wow. Okay. T. 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 When I think about T, I have got lots of songs, but among them, I'm only, when I think about romantic hits, I'm only thinking about Shemi Kabuda.
Of course.
So this is a beautiful song, a peppy number of song, and it's also for you, okay, Didi, because you like peppy songs.
I do
So,
love peppy songs.
so this
I
is for
may
you.
get up and start dancing. We'll see.
So this is for you, Didi. ओ तुमसे अच्छा कौन है, दिलो जिगर लो जान लो, हम तुम्हारे हैं सनम, तुम हमें पहचान लो। ओ तुमसे अच्छा कौन है, दिलो जिगर लो जान लो, हम तुम्हारे हैं सनम, तुम हमें पहचान लो। So that's it.
Lovely. Love it.
Thank you.
Love it.
Thank you
और
so much.
वैसे भी you're right. मुझसे अच्छा कोई नहीं है. So very good. I like that thought. So sort of tell me, how was your Valentine's Day? Did you do anything special?
Didi, I can only enjoy music because I have got a strict parents. So
Oh, okay. So you didn't really get to go see anyone, propose
no,
to
no.
anyone. You know, you can always use this podcast as an opportunity to propose to someone. I will not, I'm not strict, Didi. You know, I will not stop you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Anyway, I pulled up the next alphabet from this box and it is A.
Wow. So every beautiful song start with A of Rafi Sahab. Beautiful romantic song. And among them, best number is Apni Aankhon Mein Basa Kar from the movie Thokar.
Very nice. Lovely choice.
Hmm. अपनी आँखों में बसा कर कोई इकरार करूं, अपनी आँखों में बसा कर कोई इकरार करूं, जी में आता है कि जी भर के तुझे प्यार करूं, अपनी आँखों में बसा कर कोई इकरार करूं। मैंने कब तुझसे जमाने की खुशी मांगी है, एक हल्की सी मेरे लब ने हंसी मांगी है, एक हल्की सी मेरे लब ने हंसी मांगी है, सामने तुझको बिठा कर तेरा दीदार करूं, जी में आता है कि जी भर के तुझे प्यार करूं, अपनी आँखों में बसा कर कोई इकरार करूं।
Wow. I just sometimes, it's difficult to forget how magical. I mean, sometimes it's like you just, because it's been a while, I do every video you put out there, I do watch it. But to
Thank you.
hear you live, like this, it's just so magical. So I'm
Thank you
like,
so
wait,
much, Didi.
I have to I have to kind of remember, wait, I'm the host. I have to remember to do my duties as the host because I just want to close my eyes and just listen to you. That was a beautiful, beautiful song. Um,
Thank you so much, Didi.
so next on in this box, and this was actually the last one in your green ring box, right? Is
Okay,
Y.
it's why.
Yeah.
Okay. For that, I I'm gonna sing it with acoustic. Okay, this is acoustic music, and this is also by Shamika Buddha. So. Hmm. ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा। तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया।
Beautiful. Just
Thank you,
amazingly
thank you.
lovely. And I love this movie as well, Kashmir Ki Kali, right? I was
Yeah,
about to start clapping, usme bhi in the song also they have this clapping going on, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I did not want to disturb you. Okay,
Yeah.
we finished that box. Let's see what other rings are there. So
Okay,
now 1, 2, and 4. What number?
okay, then I will go with four.
Okay, you want to finish one side, first.
Okay, okay.
Let's see what ring you got this time. Oh, wow, it's a beautiful citrine ring.
Oh, okay.
And now we have a different crush. And we'll see. Okay, I got a B.
B, yeah, yeah. Okay. Hmm. Oh my God, this is a beautiful song, Didi. Hmm. बहुत शुक्रिया, बड़ी मेहरबानी, मेरी जिंदगी में हुजूर आप आए। कदम चूम लूं या के आंखें बिछा दूं, करूं क्या ये मेरी समझ में ना आए। बहुत शुक्रिया।
Beautiful. I was just going to say, bahut shukriya, badi meherbani to you because you are just so amazing, and it's a pleasure to have you on this show today.
I'm
So this,
actually so blessed to have a Didi like you, Didi.
are,
I don't have I do have one elder sister, but for you, I'm just opening my heart. I'm so
oh,
blessed to have a
no,
sister like you, Didi.
see, I don't have any. I'm the youngest in my family, and my sisters, my family, my siblings are all way older than me, and so I'm like the baby of the family. So I don't have a younger brother or
Oh
sister.
my God.
So I have always missed having one, and by having you in my, as a brother, as a chota bhai, I call you, right? I'm fulfilling that dream, of having, and
Thank you,
even
Didi.
more so having a brother who can sing Muhammad Rafi song. I mean, what more can any sister want, right? So it's my
Thank you,
my
Didi.
pleasure, there. So okay, oh, now we got my favorite alphabet because my name begins with it. It's D.
Okay. Mm, so okay, the there is lots of songs, but
Yeah.
this song I hope you will enjoy this.
I better enjoy it. It begins with the alphabet.
Okay, this is also by Shemi Kabuda, and you also like peppy songs, so this is for you, Didi.
Okay.
दीवाना मुझसा नहीं इस अंबर के नीचे, दीवाना मुझसा नहीं इस अंबर के नीचे, आगे है कातिल मेरा और मैं पीछे पीछे, दीवाना मुझसा नहीं इस अंबर के नीचे, आगे है कातिल मेरा और मैं पीछे पीछे। पाया है दुश्मन को जब से प्यार के काबिल, तब से ये आलम है रास्ता याद न मंजिल, नींद में जैसे चलता है कोई चलना यूं ही आंखें नीचे, दीवाना मुझसा नहीं इस अंबर के नीचे, आगे है कातिल मेरा और मैं पीछे पीछे।
Love it. वो एक डायलॉग है ना, अमरीश पुरी जी, what movie was that? Mogambo Khush Hua, right? If you remember, there's a dialogue. So I'm going to say Didi Khush Hui. So you score full points on that. So I wanted to tell you, I was asking you what you've been doing since we last talked to you in September. I've been doing a lot of other podcasts. So we recently even did a game show called Cinema Cinema, right? So that was also related to Bollywood's songs. So it was a lot of fun. And then I was as the game show host, there is only one rule: the host is always right. So I love that rule, right? So इसलिए I just said full points to you because I had my game show hat on. I was like full points to Saurav, right?
Okay.
And if just letting our audience know, if you haven't watched it, please do watch it on our Facebook page because it's a wonderful game show. So anyway, the next alphabet I got is
It's N.
N.
Okay. So in N. Okay. But in N, I'm like picturing, but yeah. Dharmendra sab. We didn't go to Dharmendra ji.
Oh,
So this song,
you sing the song, then I'll tell you about Dharmendra ji. Just sing the song first.
okay, Didi. So this song is based on a letter N. Hmm. न जा कहीं अब न जा, दिल के सिवा, न जा कहीं अब न जा, दिल के सिवा, है यही दिल पूछा तेरा, है मेरे हमदम मेरे दोस्त, न जा कहीं अब न जा, दिल के सिवा, है यही दिल पूछा तेरा, है मेरे हमदम मेरे दोस्त, न जा कहीं अब न जा, दिल के सिवा। आके खून दिल मिला के भर दो इन लबों के खाके, आके खून दिल मिला के भर दो इन लबों के खाके, भुजा भुजा बदन तेरा कवल कवल बना के, खिला दूं रंगे हिना, न जा कहीं अब न जा दिल के सिवा, न जा कहीं अब न जा दिल के सिवा.
Beautiful. I mean, honestly, Sara, the way you sing, no girl can ever go anywhere dil ke siwa. You have has to make a beeline for your heart, you know. That's what's gonna happen. So
Thank
speaking
you.
of which, do you get a lot of proposals now that you know you've become
Oh no.
popular and well known?
No, Didi.
Oh, oh, come on. Where are the girls? I mean, come on.
You know, I can't say that. My dad will kill me. So,
Okay. बाद में और अलग से we'll talk
yeah, yeah,
separately
yeah,
offline.
right. Okay.
So I was gonna tell you about Dharamji, is that when I was growing up, like when I was, I think, your age or actually younger than you, and my parents, you know, generally asked me what kind of guy should we, you know, look for you, not in arranged marriage thing or whatever.
Yeah.
So I told them like somebody who looks like Dharamji, but they were shocked because he looked old at that time, like Dharamji was getting older and stuff. So my parents were like, really? I said, no, 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 just let me make sure I clarify the requirements. Like the Dharamji when he was younger, like, you know, because I think
Yeah.
I have not seen a lot of movies of him when he was younger, like way younger, not even Sholay, like way
Yeah.
before him, right?
In that movie, आपके हसीने रुख पे आज नया
Aapki
मिला.
Haseen Rukh Pe,
Yeah.
that's one of my favorite songs, and you sang that for me last time, if you remember, right?
Yeah, yeah, Didi.
Yeah, like in that movie, or even like before then, like his first few movies. And I watched them on TV, and then I was like, wow, you know. So I told my parents, I said, if you find a guy who looks like him when he was younger, then I will say yes, you know. Otherwise, don't even bother, you know. So
So handsome.
weirdly, they did not find anybody who looks like Dharamji from that
Okay.
time. Anyway, that was a funny story. But moving on, you said all good romantic songs of Rafiji begin with A, so I have another A over here.
Again an A. Yeah. Mm. Oh, I have a beautiful song. Na, da, 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 eh, na, na, da, dee, dee. Mm. Mm. ऐसे तो न देखो कि हमको नशा हो जाए, ऐसे तो न देखो खूबसूरत सी कोई हमसे खता हो जाए, खूबसूरत सी कोई हमसे खता हो जाए, ऐसे तो न देखो.
Lovely.
Thank
Lovely.
you,
I mean,
Didi.
you know, it's like when I listen to Rafi Ji songs, and even like, you know, I asked you this question last time that you are so young and yet you sing like Rafi Ji songs, or, you know, and I'm not going to ask you again. But even for me, like some of my friends wonder why I like old songs so much. Like none of the new singers, like I do listen to, you know, Sonu Nigam ji is like my second favorite, you know, and Saurav now is my third favorite, you know.
That's
Yeah,
nice.
but I mean, I do listen to other singers. I mean, and of course, Kishore Kumar ji has a lot of lovely songs as well. But for some reason, like when I just either when I need to just relax, I've had a tough day, or I'm just, you know, okay, I just want to just chill. For me, I always listen to Muhammad Rafi songs because even like the romantic songs, especially since we are doing a Valentine's Day special today, the romantic songs are just out of this world. Like I just close my eyes and I imagine that Rafi is singing only for me, and it's
Yes,
such a
Didi.
wonderful thing.
For everybody, like Rafi Sahab is like that. He has got many lovers.
Yes, I think
So
I am not ashamed to say I'm one of them. Right?
the Rafi
All right.
Sahab he puts
Mhm.
like his like full potential on each song. So if he is too romantic, then that's the best thing we can ever hear.
Yeah, I mean, if you just close your eyes, I mean, and I don't know about guys and stuff, but you can always imagine that it's Rafiji still singing for you because the lyrics are amazing, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But it's just like totally like a mesmerizing experience
Yes,
for me.
Didi.
And it's similarly like when you are singing, I'm kind of like, okay, I just want to close my eyes. I don't want to have to talk anymore. I just want to close my eyes and listen to you sing.
Oh my god.
But we
Yeah,
got
Didi.
two more boxes here. So
Okay, Didi. Go ahead.
now it's one or two.
Okay. One or two. I'll go with one.
Okay. Oh, you got actually my favorite ring. I was wearing it for the last few days. I took it
Okay.
off just for this program. It's
Red.
it's
Oh
a
my.
pink tourmaline. It's like
Tourmaline.
I love this color and this stone, and I was actually wearing this ring till this morning.
My sister's favorite color. It's
Oh, it
pink.
is? Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
yeah. Yeah.
My favorite color is white, but pink comes as a second favorite, right?
Oh.
But I've been wearing this ring. In fact, I was wearing it this morning. I just took it off to put it in the box.
Oh. Okay.
So let's see what alphabet comes here from my favorite ring box.
Okay, Didi.
E.
E. Oh my god. Then I have a perfect song for you. As I hope you will enjoy. I'm definitely sure you will enjoy this song.
Hey, I'm now looking forward to it.
Okay, here it goes. एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर दिल चाहता है वो कहने दो मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर दिल चाहता है वो कहने दो मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर तुमने मुझको हंसना सिखाया ओ तुमने मुझको हंसना सिखाया रोने कहोगे रो लेंगे अब रोने कहोगे रो लेंगे आंसू का हमारे गम न करो ये बहते हैं तो बहने दो मुझे तुमसे मोहब्बत हो गई है मुझे पलकों की छाँव में रहने दो एहसान तेरा होगा मुझ पर
Beautiful. Ice, you were right. You said I will like this song. I love this song. It just, but in the interest of time, I'm gonna keep moving on to the next alphabet.
Okay, Didi.
So next I have a K.
Okay. Hmm. Hmm. किसको प्यार करूं. That's one of your
You already
favorite.
sang that last time, so now gonna let you sing that one this again.
Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Hmm. Hmm. This is a beautiful song. खुदा बे आसमां से जब जमी पर देखता होगा, खुदा बे आसमां से जब जमी पर देखता होगा, मेरे महबूब को किसने बनाया सोचता होगा, खुदा बे आसमां से जब जमी पर देखता होगा, मेरे महबूब को किसने बनाया सोचता होगा, खुदा बे आसमां से.
Beautiful.
Thank you,
Just
Didi.
amazing. A beautiful song choice, I have to say.
Thank
Much
you, Didi.
better than वो किसको प्यार करूं. I'm glad you opted for this one. Okay,
Okay.
my favorite alphabet again.
Okay. Hmm. This is my favorite actor, Devanand Sab. So,
Also a D, Devanand,
yeah.
so there you go. Go for it.
Okay. दिल का भंवर करे पुकार, प्यार का राग सुनो, प्यार का राग सुनो रे. दिल का भंवर करे पुकार, प्यार का राग सुनो, प्यार का राग सुनो रे. फूल तुम गुलाब का, क्या जवाब आपका, जो अदा है वो बहार है. आज दिल की बेखली आ गई जुबान पर, बात ये है तुमसे प्यार है. दिल तुम ही को दिया रे, प्यार का राग सुनो रे. दिल का भंवर करे पुकार, प्यार का राग सुनो, प्यार का राग सुनो रे.
Lovely. Just
Thank you.
amazing. And Soros, I was just looking at the time, and so I'm. We have to kind of like start wrapping up now. So we
Okay.
won't be able to get to the last box, but there is one alphabet left
Okay.
in this box,
Okay. Fine.
and we started with a C. And guess what letter came up? We are gonna end
Oh.
with a C as well.
Okay. Fine. Hmm. Okay. This song. Okay. This song I should get drunk, but I'm not. I'm a teetotaler, but still, this song, Rafi Saab, like when Rafi Saab sang, I thought he's drunk. That much emotion he has put it in this song. So this goes like this. छू लेने दो नाजुक होठों को, कुछ और नहीं है, जाम है ये। छू लेने दो नाजुक होठों को, कुछ और नहीं है, जाम है ये। कुदरत ने जो हमको बख्शा है, वो सबसे हंसी इनाम है ये। छू लेने दो नाजुक होठों को।
Beautiful. And I'm going to ask you, it's a personal question. Do you drink?
No, Didi.
Okay. It's like you are high on music, right? The same thing with me. You get high on music. What do you need,
Yeah, yeah.
alcohol for, right? So,
Yeah, Didi.
so that's the thing. Before we go, Saurabh, wanted to ask you. I know you're also studying to be a doctor. So how are your studies going, and what are your
Yeah,
plans?
Didi. March 1st, my online class will be like it's going to start. So I'm getting ready for that.
Good, good. So, when do you finish your studies? Like when
Yeah,
do you
after
start college?
4 weeks, 4 weeks I'm done with this studies. Then I'm going for internship. I should work here.
Okay, nice, nice. So, how many more years before we start calling you Doctor Saurav?
After this year, Didi, hopefully by God's grace.
Okay, no, sure, sure. And we also said, we talked about it in our last podcast that music has the power to heal. So I think you will be able to heal a lot more people with your music,
Oh,
besides just using your medical skills, and all that. So
thank you, Didi.
from everyone at Atlanta Dunia, I want to wish you all the very best.
Thank you
Uh,
so much, Didi.
and God willing, will probably have you come back because I cannot get enough of your singing. So every few months I'll tell Kailash ji, who is the producer of all the podcasts at Atlanta Dunia, Kailash ji and Nisha ji. They
Yeah.
both, and I'll tell him every few months, like, I want to get Saurabh back, for another episode. So I hope that we will get you back again to play another game. But I did
Totally.
want to wish you all the very best. Both, you said you want to work in Bollywood, movies, sing for Bollywood movies. You look good enough, you can be a hero in Bollywood movies.
Oh my God.
These
Didi.
opinions, right? and
Thank you.
and of course sing as well. So we do wish you all the very best for that.
So,
Is there anything you would like to say before we
actually, I want to thank Kailash ji for doing this wonderful job, and you, Didi, because you have helped me a lot, and I won't forget anything which you have done for me, and you will always be my elder sister. So thank you so much.
No, always, anytime, anything, So
Thank you,
just,
Didi.
I'm only a message or a phone call away. All right. So with that, I would like to thank you all for watching our show, and hopefully we'll get Saurav back again. He's my chota bhai. I just have to say, Saurav, I need you on the show, and I'm sure he'll come running. So we hope to have him back again sometime in the future. Till then, you keep watching our podcast. We have a lot of good podcasts that we keep producing for you almost every week, every other week. So do go and watch our podcast if you haven't already done so. You can go to atlantadunia.com, our podcast section. You can search for us on YouTube. You can look for Atlanta Dunia Group Facebook page, and you will find all our videos and podcasts there. So we'll see you next time. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe, stay in love. Bye.